Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. So we'll continue that maxima minima problem. So this is the last class from maxima minima. Even this is the last class for application of derivatives. In next class we will start the new chapter called vectors. So one simple problem is it's like this. It is given that x equal to 1, then the function x is x power 4 62 x square plus ax plus 9 attains its maximum value on the interval 0 to 2. Find the value of a. So this is one different question. Up to now we are finding the maximum value and minimum value, and also we are finding at which point the function attain maximum value and the minimum value. But in this question it is given that it will attain the maximum value at x equal to 1, which is in the interval 0 to 2, and they kept one unknown in the equation, and that unknown we have to find out using the concepts of maxima and minima. So since it is different, observe carefully, listen carefully. So as usual, the first step is take the function and its differentiation. So write down the function and start differentiating with respect to a. Remember that a is a constant, and that constant you have to find out. Yes, so differentiation will be as follows. It is 4x cube minus 124x plus a, because differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 9 will be 0. Now what is given? It is given that the function attains maximum value at x equal to 1. So you know the maximum minima is exists only at the critical point. And what do you mean by critical point? It's a point where the first order derivative is equal to 0. So it's given that f of 1 is a maximum value of f of x, therefore f of 1 equal to, when you replace maximum value, so f dash of x, it should be f dash of 1 is equal to 0. It should be f dash of 1 is equal to 0, not f of 1, f dash of 1, please correct it. So what is that f dash of 1? Put x is equal to 1 here, equate with 0. So f dash of 1 is equal to 0, please correct this, and f dash of 1, this is f dash of x. So what do you mean by f dash of 1? Replace x by 1, you'll get 4 minus 124 plus a is equal to 0. So a will be equal to 120, that's it. No second order derivative, nothing is required. So just use a condition that it will attain the maximum value at x equal to 1. Although maximum merely, minimum merely, its first order derivative at that particular point should be 0. So equate that, you will get the answer easily. So correction is f dash of 1 is equal to 0, not f of 1 equal to 0. Very good. So next question. Find the maximum minimum value of the function x plus sine 2x on the interval 0 to 2 pi. This is a repetition. In last class also you saw this type of work, but here you are finding in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So it is about absolute maximum, absolute minimum. So observe carefully. So take the given function f of x is equal to x plus sine 2x. Differentiate that with respect to x. So differentiation of x will be 1, differentiation of sine 2x is 2 cos 2x. So you know, first you have to find out its critical point. Critical point and the differentiation admele equal to 0. So a critical point must be between 0 to 2 pi. So f dash of x is equal to 0 implies 1 plus 2 cos 2x is equal to 0. 2 cos 2x is equal to minus 1. Cos 2x is equal to minus half. So cos 2x is equal to minus half, and this x is between 0 to 2 pi. Then which are the different possible values? Yes, next. So cos 2x is equal to minus half implies 2x is equal to 120 degree as well as 240 degree. Why? Cos x will be negative in second quadrant as well as in third quadrant. So how to get second quadrant angle is minus imagine madi. Then what is the value? 60 degree, 180 minus 60, 180 plus 60. I hope you know this because you studied this in first PUC only. So therefore what are the values of x? X is equal to 60 degree and x is equal to 120 degree, and these are the values between 0 to 2 pi as well as satisfies the condition that f dash of x is equal to 0. So these points are called the critical points. So once you get the critical points, to find out absolute maximum, absolute minimum, you have to substitute these values in the functions of x. Yes, so substitute substitute x is equal to 16 f of x, you will get f of 60, which is 60 x under 60 degree sine 2x. Sine 2x enagide, see next term and actually sine 2x, 2 into 60 sine 120. Sine 120 is root 3 by 2. So x 60 plus root 3 by 2. So it is pi by 3 plus root 3 by 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ 120 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 120 is equal to 120 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2π/3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ 240, 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು. ಸೈನ್ 240 ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ? ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ -√3/2. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2π/3 -√3/2. Correcta? So at the critical points we did it, the substitution work. Now at the extreme 0 and 2π allu check ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Shall I move next slide? Very good. So next f of 0 sin 0, 0 plus sin 0, which is again 0 only because sin 0 is 0. Next f of 2π plus sin 2π. Sin 2π ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0, so answer is only 2π. Already we have that f of 60 is equal to 60 plus √3/2. F of 120 is equal to 2π/3, 120 minus √3/2. So in this list 0, 2π, this and this value, which is the greatest value. Okay, so which is the greatest value? And that greatest value is called absolute maximum. So the maximum value of in the interval 0 to 2π is 2π. See, ಇದು 120 subtract ಮಾಡು, definitely it is less than 2π ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು 60 degree plus √3/2, definitely it will not reach near 2π. So definitely here in the list the maximum of all maximum is 2π. So that maximum of all maximum is known as absolute maximum, and absolute maximum of this function is 2π radian and in the interval 0 to 2π. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದೇನು ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಂದ, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನೀವು π is equal to 3.14 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ and you can decide. Okay, so what is the maximum value of the function? ಸರಿಯಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. This is an important question. Almost you can expect this question in exam for 3 marks. So last ಒಂದು 9-10 years ಇಂದ ಇದನ್ನ minimum 5 times ಅದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, for 3 marks. 3 marks na one very very important question. Observe carefully, and this is a little different compared to the previous problem. Sometimes you can guess the answer immediately, but you don't do that, because here compulsory you should use differentiation. Okay, ನಿಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಯೂಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ. So what is the question? Find the two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. Andre what do you mean by product is as large as possible? Product is maximum. Product is maximum. Okay, so first consider two numbers as x comma y. Okay, let x comma y be two required numbers. Andre we don't know that these two numbers, we have to find out. So when something is unknown in mathematics, we usually take as x and y. So here also you consider the two required number as x and y. Okay, now write down what is given. What is given? Sum is 24. X plus y is equal to 24. Correct? Let it be 1. Now what we have to do it here? We have to maximize. Which one we have to maximize? The product of two number. What is the product of two number? X into y. Okay, we have to maximize x into y. Maximization ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, the procedure is know already around 15 problems solved, so that part will not be difficult for you. But observe carefully here, it's a product of two variable and we don't know how to differentiate product of two variable, so it should be converted into single variable. That I will show you in the next slide, so observe carefully. So let z is equal to x into y. Okay, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ z. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? As I told, it's a two variable, you cannot differentiate directly, it should be converted into a single variable. So use a condition that x plus y is equal to 24. So y is equal to 24 minus x, substitute. Correct? Yes. Now before differentiation you multiply first. Z is equal to 24x minus x square. Okay, so we have to maximize, sorry this is not minimize, it should be maximize. Okay, to maximize Z, consider the differentiation or consider the function and differentiate. Okay, so dz by dx, differentiation is with respect to x, 24 minus 2x. Then what is the next step? You have to equate with 0. So why we should equate with 0? To find out the critical point. So differentiate and equate with 0. So easily you will get the value of x, which is x is equal to 12, because 24 by 2 is equal to 12. So we got the critical point, that critical point is 12. Critical point is 12. So since only one critical point, so only one more pair of number is possible, not more than that. So only one unique answer is possible, remember that. So we have to prove that z is maximum at x equal to 12. Okay, z is maximum, correct this, that is maximum at x equal to 12. How to check whether z is maximum at x equal to 12? You have to differentiate again dz by dx. So what is the differentiation of dz by dx? Yeah, it is minus 2 and it is always negative. Whatever the value of x, this expression will be always negative. So even at x equal to 12, this is only minus 2 and it is negative. So what is the conclusion? If the second order derivative is negative, then z will attain the maximum value at x equal to 12. So z is maximum at x is equal to 12. And when x is equal to 12, what is the value of y? X is equal to 12 ಆದರೆ y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 24 minus 12, even that will also become 12 only. So the required two numbers where the sum is 24 and the product is maximum are 12 and 12. Okay, so two numbers are 12 and 12. Please note down again, this is an important question. You will get this type of question in exam for 3 marks. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ practice ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. Maximum minimum concept correct ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ, remaining part will be easy. Correct? So now next remaining questions from this section is okay similar type of work. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿ ಇದ್ದದರಲ್ಲಿ. So next ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so I hope this work you understood. Very good. Next question. Find two positive number x and y such that x plus y is 60 and x into y cube is maximum. Here sum is 60 and the product of x and cube of y is maximum. So procedurally ಏನು changes ಇಲ್ಲ. Procedure is exactly same as that of previous problem. So difficulty ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ changes ಇದೆ because this is difficult compared to previous problem. Difficult part is maybe second order derivative, okay, and its simplification. So observe carefully. Once again I will solve this problem. The next one I will give you as a homework problem. Remember that. Okay, so this I will explain the same concept again through different example. Okay, so what is given? ಇಲ್ಲಿ question alle ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ x, y. So but still, okay, you write what is given in terms of x and y. So x plus y is equal to 16 and xy cube should be maximum. xy cube should be maximum. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು same problem ಏನು? There are two variables, you cannot differentiate, so convert into one variable, then you can start maximizing this problem. Okay, so what we did in the last problem, after writing what is given, we took that which one we should maximize as z. So you can continue with z. Z ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ letter ಬೇಕಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, except x and y you should use. Okay, you can use any other English alphabet. Okay, so z is equal to xy cube. Observe carefully now. ಇಲ್ಲಿ one variable convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So which is better to convert? Suppose if you replace y in terms of x, then maybe your difficulty will increase. So better is to replace x in terms of y. Differentiation no need should be only with respect to x. It can be with respect to y also. So z can be written as x plus y is equal to 60 ಆದ್ರೆ x equal to ಏನು 60 minus y. ಅಲ್ಲಿ y ಅನ್ನೇ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ you keep your work simple. Okay, don't make your work difficult. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ x ಅನ್ನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ your work will be easy. So z is equal to x ಅಂದ್ರೇನು 60 minus y into y cube. So before differentiation multiply, then differentiation will be easy for you. Correct? Now you are going to differentiate this with respect to y. So differentiation of z with respect to y is z is here 60 y cube minus y to the power 4 and its differentiation is 180 y square minus 4 y cube. So you know, to maximize, first of all you have to find out the critical point. So dz by dy equal to 0 implies 120 y square minus 4 y cube equal to 0. So 4 y square into 45 minus y is equal to 0. In ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4y square ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, so y product of two number is equal to 0 implies definitely one of them will be 0. So one possibility is y equal to 0, another possibility is y is equal to 45. So these are the two critical points of the given function, and now you have to check at which point this function is maximum. See y equal to 0 ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? See y equal to 0 ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಎರಡು 0 ಆದ್ರೆ product definitely cannot be maximum. Okay, so product will be the minimum. So y equal to 0 check ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So just leave that as it is. Okay, you consider only one value, y is equal to 45. So now what next? Second order derivative of z with respect to y. Yeah, so differentiate z dash with respect to y again. So d square z by dy square equal to ಯಾವ್ದೊಂದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. d square z by dy square equal to 360y minus 12y square. Now what we should do, we should substitute y is equal to 45, because when you substitute y equal to 0 it will be 0. So ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so no need to substitute y is equal to 0, just directly substitute y is equal to 45. That I will show in the next slide. So d square z by dy square when y is equal to 45, ಯಾವುದು y is equal to 45 where in z, the d square z by dy square, which is 360y minus 12y square. So it is 360 into 45 minus 12 into 45 square, that is 45 into 12 into 30 minus 45. See what I did here, I took 45 and 12 outside. Okay, then easily you will identify the product. So it is 45 into 12 into minus 5. See, no need to multiply because it is very clear that it is negative, right? No, one ellanu positive, one negative sign iru, so definitely it is negative. So second order derivative negative adre enagatte hele, yeah, z is maximum. Therefore z is maximum where when y is equal to 45. Then when y is equal to 45 degree, you have to find out the value of x. When x is equal, okay, when y is equal to 45, you replace, okay, or substitute in x plus y is equal to 60. Then x is equal to 60 minus 45, which is equal to 15. So the function will attain maximum when y is equal to 45 and x is equal to 15. The required numbers are, therefore two required numbers are 15 and 45 or 45 and 15. I hope you understood. So simplification careful agire, so you can use calculator definitely. Okay, so get the number properly. The two required numbers are 45 and 15. Very good. I hope you understood. Yeah, next question, find two positive number x and y such that their sum is 35 and the product is x square into y power 5 is a maximum. So this is your homework problem. So work madi, definitely you will get the answer. Okay, so this will be a homework problem. I'm not going to show you the solution for it. Okay, so next question, find two positive number whose sum is 16 and the sum of whose cube is minimum. Okay, this is also one important question. Remember this particular problem example, final example for 3 marks. So important question, observe carefully. But work is same. So what is given, two numbers, sum is equal to 16. So first you consider two numbers as x and y. So given that x plus y is equal to 16 and sum of whose cube, and I know sum of whose cube, x cube plus y cube is minimum. So consider z is equal to x cube plus y cube. Again the same problem, it has two variable, it should be converted into a single variable. Here one and the same, you replace x in terms of y or y in terms of x, both are same. So okay, you can write this in terms of x or in terms of y. So you are comfortable with x here, so better to continue with x only. So what is x plus, okay, what is given, x plus y is equal to 16, so y is equal to 16 minus x, so replace x cube plus 16 minus x whole cube. Yeah, now immediately you can differentiate, don't cube it, directly differentiate, it's better. Differentiation madade ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3x square plus 3 into 16 minus x whole square into differentiation of 16 minus x equal to minus 1. Okay, so this is a differentiation and equate with 0 or simplify first. Okay, one and the same, so equate with 0. When you equate with 0, you will get 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x whole square is equal to 0. So x find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ easy ಇದೆ. Take 3 outside, then okay, you can get the value of x very easily. Observe carefully. So x square equal to 16 minus x whole square alva, rearrange ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಈಚೆ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, 3 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So take square root on both sides, so you will get x is equal to plus or minus 16 minus x. Again this will split into two cases, one is plus ಇದ್ದಾಗ, another one is minus ಇದ್ದಾಗ. Okay, let me consider the first case, which is plus 60, x is equal to 16 minus x ಆದರೆ 2x equal to 16, x is equal to 8. So first case aida. Okay, second case, x is equal to minus 16 minus plus x, so x cancel agate, so 0 equal to minus 16 is, which is definitely not possible. So only one possibility is x is equal to 8. So now after getting the critical point, you have to differentiate again d square z by dx square. Okay, differentiate this expression again with respect to x, you will get 16x plus, okay, plus yak barutte illon minus ide, after differentiation this will, okay, give minus sign, so it become plus. Okay, and 2 will be multiplied 6, so 16 minus x into again minus 1 and minus 1, so it is 6x plus, okay, it will continue like this. Then substitute x is equal to 8, so 6 into 8, 6 into 16 minus x, okay, definitely it will be a positive number. No need to get this exactly what it is. Here everything is positive, so this sum should be positive. So second order derivative positive ಆದರೆ then z is minimum, okay, at x is equal to 8. Over when you know x equal to 8, it's very easy to get y. X is equal to 8 ಆದ y is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8 because sum is 16. So required numbers are 8 and 8. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So these are the very important problems in the list of maximum minima. So last 4 problems are very important. Concentrate more. So we completed application of derivatives. So I hope you understood application of derivatives. Any doubt idre we'll discuss later. Thank you.